Wait, Bernie ha. Here's my pizza. Gift from my bro. Because today is my another birthday na naman. Yesterday is my birthday.
Today
Birthday
is your
dili, birthday dito, gahapon o karon, right here. Oh, pizza.
Yeah, and Bernie is
Oops.
also it's waiting.
Wow.
Red horse.
May.
Grabe ya. Pizza, Bernie ha.
Yan na pa yung ice cream, Joy.
Kuluin ni mo. Pizza po di mo, Red horse. Okay.
Oh, na pa ice cream.
This for me also? Grabe.
Everybody sit.
Yeah, sige na, sit down. Ang plato, Joy.
Kuya,
Oh,
matag.
see? Sus. Palami.
Sige na.
Basta matakta nga.
Cara bro.
Di ba kalbaso?
Si Bernie, kaluyag, gahulat in town si Bernie boy.
Yang lawi at
Kanina pundador, karon Red horse na po.
Red
Di ko man
horse.
na kanina pong mayo.
Mayo.
That's
Me.
fake wine.
Me.
Yeah, just only the juice lang.
Lami, biya na. Original akong yulat.
Oh, napahigik gani. Still have cake. You want the cake?
Dear Dad, oh.
Pero in fairness, te. Nakaano si Tito nga pila ka oras nang wala.
Wala siya.
Look at Bernie.
Kaluoy ni Bernie. Yeah, you're just waiting for your
Di para
turn.
kompleto to, te. Diya ka, si Bernie diya.
Oh. Katagi sa daddy ni Majoy.
He only gets bits of crust, not too much.
Katagi sa daddy ni mo.
Happy birthday. my
Thank you,
brother.
bro.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday
to
to
me.
me. Hey, happy birthday to me. How much my earnings na today, bro?
31 na kaya?
Yesterday is my birthday and now twice a year ako mag-birthday.
Hala kuya.